Hello and welcome to Motor Means. For many of us, a car is more than metal. It's a quiet sanctuary after a long day, the place where conversations happen, and the machine that removes friction from life. The 2026 Genesis GV80 wants to be exactly that, a calm, modern luxury SUV that emphasizes comfort, thoughtful tech, and real-world usability. Today, I'll walk you through what's new, what matters, and whether this GV80 deserves a spot in your driveway. Here's the plan. Quick exterior tour, then the interior and comfort features. Engine and fuel numbers, I'll give metric conversions, roof and suspension details, the lighting and dashboard tech, followed by top speed, pricing, and a clear verdict. For context, Genesis lists the starting MSRP at about $57,700, with well-equipped advanced and prestige trims moving into the $70K to $84K area as you add options. Up close, the GV80 reads mature and composed. The broad G-Matrix grille, precise hood creases, and the micro-lens array headlights give the front end a refined, modern face. The rear is tidy, full LED combination lamps, and clean surfacing that won't age badly. Wheel choices run from comfortable 18-inch patterns up to aggressive 22-inch alloys, so you can tune the car visually and dynamically for ride comfort or presence. Overall, the exterior is elegant rather than showy, a good match for buyers who prefer understatement. Step inside and you can feel where Genesis focused: materials and calm. Higher trims feature Napa leather, open-pore wood trim, and quilted seating. Mid-trims still feel premium thanks to excellent fit and finish. The layout is driver-centric but roomy. Multi-zone climate control, ventilated and heated front seats, and available ventilated rear seats add comfort. Some GV80 configs give you a power folding third row for up to 7 seats without gutting the parcel area. Practical touches, big center storage, useful cup holders, sensible switchgear, and ambient lighting add up to a cabin that feels intentionally upscale. The cabin's sound insulation and seat ergonomics make long highway drives measurably less tiring. In the US, the GV80 is offered with 2 principal gas engines. The base 2.5-liter turbo i4 puts out roughly 300 horsepower and about 311 pound-feet of torque, a responsive, efficient, everyday package. The optional twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 raises output to roughly 375 horsepower, delivering stronger mid-range and higher sustained performance when you need it. Both work through an 8-speed automatic, and many trims offer all-wheel drive. Genesis lists the 2.5T at about 20 mpg city, 26 mpg highway. Converting to metric, that's approximately 8.5 kilometers per liter city and 11.1 kilometers per liter highway, or about 11.8 liters per 100 kilometers city and about 9.1 liters per 100 kilometers highway. Those conversions help you compare fuel cost across regions and decide which engine matches your priorities. The GV80 commonly offers a panoramic power moonroof on mid and upper trims. It opens up the cabin and adds that airy feeling many families and commuters appreciate. Genesis prioritizes acoustic treatments around the roof to keep wind noise down, which is more noticeable in real use than a flashy sunroof graphic. Stock tire sizes vary by trim. Common fits are 260/55 R19, 260/50 R20, and 260/40 R22, depending on options. These are modern tubeless radial tires mounted on alloy rims. Smaller wheels favor ride comfort, while larger wheels favor visual presence and sharper turn-in. Under the skin, the GV80 uses a multi-link geometry and offers an available electronically controlled adaptive suspension with a road preview function that scans the surface ahead and adjusts damping proactively. The result is smoother handling over imperfect pavement and better high-speed composure. Genesis MLA headlights on higher trims provide a precise, well-distributed beam and a distinctive daytime signature. The rear full LED lamps are crisp and improve visibility for following traffic. In practice, the lighting feels both beautiful and functional. The GV80's tech centerpiece is a sweeping 27-inch OLED display that spans the driver's instrument cluster into the infotainment area, a single high-resolution surface that shows navigation, media, and vehicle info in split or full views. The layout is modern, readable in daylight, and paired with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Over-the-air updates and connected services help keep the software current. Independent testing places the fastest GV80 variants with 0 to 60 mph times in the mid 5-second range, and controlled tests estimate a top speed near 150 mph for the most potent setups. Those figures illustrate that the GV80 delivers plenty of passing power and composed high-speed behavior for real-world driving. As I said at the top, starting MSRP is about $57,700. Typical advanced and prestige trims with useful packages commonly fall in the $70K to $84K area as you add options. Genesis's generous checklist of standard features and warranty coverage helps the GV80 compete on value with pricier European alternatives. Always add destination and dealer options to your final out-the-door calculation. Yes, if your priorities are cabin comfort, thoughtful tech, and value, the GV80 excels at refining the driving experience. Good materials, a modern OLED cockpit, and advanced suspension options make it relaxing and high function. It isn't trying to be the sharpest handling, track-focused SUV in the segment. Instead, it rewards owners who want everyday luxury, long-distance comfort, and strong standard equipment for the money. Choose the 2.5T for better economy and daily usability. Choose the 3.5T V6 if you want stronger performance and don't mind the extra fuel cost. If this breakdown helped, please like, share, and drop a comment, and hit subscribe to MotorMeans for more honest, detailed reviews. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you spending these minutes with MotorMeans. Now, I want to know, which matters more to you, the tech-packed serene interior or the stronger V6 performance? Tell me in the comments below. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Clear, candid, and practical. That's how MotorMeans tests cars, and that's how we'll help you find the right drive. See you next time.